Hey guys and girls, it's Nathan here from the B.Invested headquarters, and today just showing you some more properties, showing you that there's deals out there, showing you the opportunities that I've been working on and other ways that people have been making money. Today I've got a 3-bedroom, fairly modern, I'd say about a 2000 build townhouse complex which we purchased in August 2017, which now it's August 2018, and there's a lot of news out there that property markets are doing it tough, the financial market's screwed and all that sort of stuff. There's a whole story for another day from when it comes down to how money works and stuff like that. But, I've been making some videos recently on, the sort of deals and sort of ways people make money out there in the marketplace. And this one here is a property in Queensland. It's in the Gold Coast. And, I see that as Australia as a whole, there is an undersupply of properties out there, but being able to identify which market's going to take off and when they're going to happen and all that sort of stuff is a lot of crystal ball and a lot of people guessing and all that sort of stuff. However, it's always important to focus on the fundamentals as to what drives the market and basically where the opportunities lay in that market. And in the Gold Coast, the market, a lot of the properties that I'm buying up there at the moment are still at the sort of GFC level. There hasn't been a boom in the Gold Coast or Brisbane like we've seen in Sydney and Melbourne and so forth. And I'm actually finding, quite funnily, and that's why I've been a big advocate of the Queensland market and the Southeast Queensland market for the last 5 years or so, is that that's it's been the most under heat. It's not a hot market like Sydney's been in Melbourne, and I've been picking up all the bargains. I like going into markets which aren't very hot because there's a better position to negotiate and whatnot. But entering into 2018 and now being in August, what I'm finding is that the market is very hot in Queensland. It's becoming more and more hotter for property. So we purchased this property in August 2017 for $300,000, and sitting here in August 2018, recent sales and other properties currently on the market are anywhere between the $340,000 and the $370,000. So something like this, I'd say it'd sell if you put it on the market at the moment for around $360,000. So you've probably got about 15 to 20% growth within a year. You've got a property which rents for $400 per week. And a good strong upside for capital growth, because this is one of the most undervalued sort of pockets around Australia. And I'm seeing a lot of people are starting to migrate, whether it be from moving from Sydney because the prices are too expensive, or whether it be investing because the cash flow and the returns are much better. So this is a prime example of some of the sort of opportunities that have been picking up over the course of the last few years. As I said, this one here is in a very similar marketplace to where we are today. The market price for this property is around the mid 300s. We picked it up for 300. It's got depreciation, which is just a bonus. Tax deduction should always be treated as a bonus, because you never know, you can't bank on a tax deduction as an income. But it has tax deductions as depreciation, purchased at well below market value. It's a very solid property, so very minimal maintenance, very nice complex. As you can see, it's pretty unique. Looking at a townhouse complex, you can see, I don't know what the quality of the video is here, but you can see like the roofs are all different colours in there, and it's more like a little community housing sort of complex estate. So yeah, with it, if you need help in building your portfolio, finding properties like this that are below market value with good growth potential and strong cash flows, call the team 1300 367 925, or send us a message or an email at admin@binvested.com.au. We'll catch up soon. Have an awesome day. Bye for now.